Okay, so we have our forks resealed, new oil. So there's a left side and a right side. It's marked with an L and an R. You can also tell because of, you know, this kind of stuff. If we put it on this side, the Ducati's facing on the wrong side. If we turn it around, it's backwards. So you're just going to slide it up. You have to maneuver it past this collar for the handlebar. But it's not that hard. I say that and it won't cooperate at all. But that's okay. Something like that. So this twists. I had it like this for a reason. So I want it like that. And then you have to measure where it belongs back on the frame. So we were like 16 millimeters up. I'm going to snug this a little bit just to hold it. And then take my measurement. I probably need my glasses. So we're at 9, plus or minus 16. That's too tight now. That's exactly where I want it. So we can tighten up the bolts, torque them down on this side, do the other side, and then do some other stuff. Tighten the top one first. So we're going to go 35 foot-pounds and 40 foot-pounds on the torque wrench. On these bars we were at 5 mil below the top. Is this close? Maybe. What we can do is run a zip tie under this to hold it in place, and then loosen this and adjust it once it's back on the bike. You don't have to adjust the height of the tube anymore. Okay, so I got zip ties here. These are to mark fork travel in the beginning. Then I got a zip tie up here. That's to hold the handlebar so I can adjust them like this, because they're kind of, you know, get on it, you get the best feel. You loosen them up, you put them where you want them so they don't interfere with the fairing, and then you tighten them down before you put the rest of the fairings on. So for this, I mean, other than putting on the fender and the brakes and the wheel, the forks are done. So after we get everything put back together, we'll get on it and do some compression and rebound to see what our travel is. We can set the sag on the preload and that kind of stuff. But before I can continue with the forks, I have to change the tire on the front wheel. So I'm going to pause it. I'm going to make a tire change video again. You guys from Europe are going to complain about it again. I'm not taking it to the tire fitter. I'm not letting some kid put a tire on my carbon fiber rim. It's just me. It's okay. It's part of my syndrome. Number one, where I don't trust anybody. Number two, I'd rather do it myself. And number three, if you want it done right, you do it yourself. And number four, because it aggravates everybody in Europe that I change my own tires. Y'all take a break. I'm going to change a tire, and then we'll get this all put back together in the front. And then we'll do some other stuff.